Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create a plugin server, on how to actually get plugins in your Minecraft server for free. Now this video, I've made a vanilla server video before. If you want to go check that video, I'll have the link in the description. Also, I did make a video on how to port forward a Minecraft server, so if you want to see that, link's in the description. Also, I won't be showing you guys on how to do that today, but let's hop into it, man. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the link in the description, and it'll bring you directly to here, and this is the Spigot, alright? And then you're going to pick the Minecraft version that you want to play. So I'm going to pick the 1.16.5. I'm going to click on the download button. It's going to bring you here. You're going to click on the download right here. You're going to click on this, and you can see it'll automatically download your Spigot. Alright, now once that's done, what I like to do is drag my Spigot up on my desktop. Now from here, what I also do is I make a Minecraft MC server folder. I'm going to open that up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Spigot 1.16.5. I'm going to drag it into my MC server. I'm also going to rename it, and we're just going to name it Spigot. And that's it. Now, what we're going to need to do is right click in our folder. We're going to go to new, text document. We're going to open it. And then you guys are going to copy and paste what I have in the description for you guys, okay? So you're going to see something like this. Highlight it, copy it, and then you're going to paste it just like this, all right, guys? So make sure it's exactly like this, all right? Now, the pause isn't necessary. I put it, but that's your choice. I would recommend you just keep it. And yeah, so there we go. So now we have ourselves our Java, our command file. Now what we can go ahead and do is rename this server right here. Just don't delete the .jar, just delete the server, and then just name it Spigot.jar. Because what we're doing is we're trying to tell our command to run this jar file, this Spigot right here, okay? So now if we go to File, Save As, and then we go to All Files, and then we run it run.bat. So we're going to name it run.bat. And then you're going to click save. Alright? And make sure it was selected in your actual MC server. So now you can get rid of this text document. Now you have yourself your run.bat that's actually going to run the server. And what we did for that is, like I said, we renamed it to Spigot. So once we double click this, it'll run this jar file, okay? And that's what we need. So now what we can go ahead and do is double click the run. Now I did notice that it says error, this build is outdated, please download the new build as instruction, blah blah blah. It doesn't matter. I don't know why it's telling me this. I guess it just must be letting me know. I picked the latest version, so I don't really understand, but it's completely fine. It'll still completely start the server like completely normal, and there'll be no issues. It'll say, see, it's already loading the libraries and all that. You just have to let it load. Now you can see that it's you need to agree to the ULA in order to run the server. Okay, so if we click any button, it'll close it, and then we have to come here and accept the ULA. So double click on this and change this to true, and then go to File, Save. Now if we double click it again, run, and now if we let it load up, it'll completely load up every folder, and you guys will see what I mean in just a second. So you can see the server is loading up. You can see that the folders have also loaded up. So you get a lot more folders when you actually create a server like this. It gives you a lot more options, guys. You can actually make a legitimate server and have plugins and add a bunch of stuff that you want to your Minecraft, which is really fun. It is definitely one of the best ways of making a server. I prefer it way over vanilla. And again, if you guys want to know how to port forward this and get your friends to join this server, I will leave a link in the video down in the description. I went as detailed as I possibly could just to let you guys know. So now the server's done, we can go ahead and type stop, and it'll stop the server. Alright, so now we have everything we need. We have our plugins folder, we have our server command, our server properties folder. We have everything we need pretty much. This is everything that we pretty much need. You can see our servers command right here. You can change anything. Your port will be in here. You can enter your IP if you're port forwarding this right here. And yeah, man, it's pretty much the same thing, except it adds this ops.johnson, which you can open that up also if you want. But basically, this is going to be a list of ops players, but that doesn't matter. So now what you need to do is to install plugins. This is super simple, guys. Super duper simple. I'm going to be using World Edit for this example because it's the most common plugin. Like, it's really easy. So if you click on the link in the description, you want to download this, go ahead and click on it. Once you're here, you're going to go to Files right up here. And then you're going to pick the version you want to do. So I'm going to pick the 1.16.5. And then you're going to click on Download. And it'll actually download the file. Now, I already have it right here, this world edit file right here, as you can see. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is we have our server stopped. And anytime you want to install a plugin, you need to make sure that the server is not running. Okay, so what we need to do now is open our plugins folder and then drag our world edit into our plugins folder. And that's it. That is it. That's how you install a plugin. It's the same thing as installing mods in a Minecraft modded server. Now, what you can go ahead and do is back out. You can actually run the server. And now you will be able to have world edit. So I do want to advise that you do need to op yourself to get these commands. So I just do want to advise that if you hop in your Minecraft and it's not working, it's because you haven't opt yourself. So make sure you op yourself and then you'll be able to use all the commands you want. So I'm going to meet you guys in the game. Okay, guys? Alright, guys. So we're now in the game. The server is running. If you want to go ahead and join your own server locally, all you have to do is type 0. Done, and it'll actually detect the server. Let's go ahead and join it. Alright, now you can actually see that we are in our Minecraft server. And now if I go ahead and type in / wand, you can see I actually get the wand. So now you can basically do anything you want with this wand. I'm just gonna do a little quick command for you guys. So as you can see, I just said cobblestone for fun. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much how you install plugins. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I taught you guys on how to fully make a Minecraft plugin server. Again, if you want to go ahead and port forward it, I left a video in the description for you guys. And if you want to make a vanilla one, I also have a link in there for you guys. So, guys, make sure to click that like button, man. It helps out the channel a lot. It gets that YouTube algorithm going, guys. I really appreciate all the support. And let's hop into this and let's kill it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.